So this is part 2 of what I was explaining. So on phone, this place you might not be able to see how bad it is, but when you visit the field, it's not that bad because we are here to manage it. But for me, we are not impressed with how they are looking. So somebody will share images of good places in your pieces of land, and maybe that will excite you. That will make you feel like your field is doing well. But eventually, when you decide to come and see your field, that's when you realize other things are not okay. Like this section needs fertilizer. Okay, this section needs urea, if not urea, DAP. This section only, because we need to change the in biology, I think we call it chlorophyll. So this section is not looking good, so we need to feed these cans with good fertilizer. So you as a farmer, if you do your things and you don't pay attention to them, especially young guys who always want to do farming and they end up losing their money, one, because they never showed up. They only showed up when it was time for harvesting, only to be told whatever you want to harvest is not it's not looking good. So at that, you will start blaming your guy, your farm manager maybe, or anybody that you had employed to run your show. But I will just advise you as a young person, show up. Even if it's twice a month, show up.